A journalist does an exposé on big tobacco and is accused of blowing smoke in Brown and Williamson Tobacco versus Jacobson. Brown and Williamson Tobacco's ad agency, Ted Bates, retained Kennan, a market research firm, to help design an advertising strategy. Kennan's findings showed that young people associated cigarettes with drugs, drinking, and sex. Kennan devised an illicit pleasure strategy. Brown fired Ted Bates soon after. About 5 years later, the Federal Trade Commission investigated cigarette advertisements and published a report. The Commission's report quoted portions of Kennan's findings and stated that Brown used many of Kennan's ideas. Walter Jacobson worked as a commentator for a CBS television station in Chicago. Jacobson devoted an episode of his show, Perspective, to smoking. Before the broadcast, a reporter for the show contacted Brown. Brown stated that it didn't implement any of Kennan's ideas, and Kennan's recommended strategy played a role in firing Ted Bates. On the show, Jacobson named Viceroy, Brown's cigarette brand, and discussed the Commission's report, including the Kennan's illicit pleasure strategy, called the cigarette companies liars, and stated the companies marketed their product to children, even though the report discussed young smokers. Brown sued Jacobson and CBS for defamation and other claims. The court granted Jacobson's motion to dismiss. Brown appealed to the Seventh Circuit.